have our sound check party every day, which is basically what private little show that we put on for exclusive fans.
And this is the My World sound check.
So they come in, and we introduce them to all the band, all the dancers, our backup singers, kind of everybody.
We can do that real quick. Just sing a little something, just a little taste, so we make sure your mics are right. Say that you love me. Tell me what I want. One more, guys, come on. Say that you love me. Ladies and gentlemen.
Now we're gonna come together.
And then Justin comes out, and literally every day it's something different with him. Sometimes he sings a song, sometimes he plays the drums, sometimes he tells jokes. He'll just go around, pick up any instrument, and kind of play.
Last time I checked, there's not a lot of songs that feature the cowbell.
Not a lot of them. It's very true.
So, let's do it.
Play that cowbell right now. Play it. Yeah. Go, Justin. Go. Play the cowbell. Play the cowbell. More cowbell. More cowbell.
It's very cool for those fans that get to come because they get this like intimate experience with him that is totally unique every time.
Everybody give it up for Justin's grandpa. Hi, Grandpa. Are you proud of Justin? He's about to start crying. You know that, I promise you. He loves his grandson. His grandson loves him. It's very touching.
I had this week. All right.
It's gotta be a good story.
So I was in Barbados for a week, and I was surfing, right? Just picture me surfing. I was riding the waves, and me and my dad were, it was our first time ever surfing. So we were going over the wave, we tried to catch the same wave. My dad flew off, and his surfboard hit me in the face, so I got like a little shadow. I was gonna come out and tell you I got into a fight, and the other guy's worse, but I'm not really a fighter, so.
Just tell him it was Shark Week.
Dan Cantor is from Ottawa. He's also Canadian.
Who knows the Dan Cantor song?
Dan Cantor, we wrote this song for you. We hope you like it. We will. And then it goes over and over like that again, and he gets really annoyed, but if you sing it loud enough, he cries.
During soundcheck party, you know, Justin will come out and does anybody have any questions? And of course, the first 2 or 3 are just the ridiculous. Will you marry me? Will you kiss me? Can I have a hug?
Will I marry you? Well, I'm a little young to get married, don't you guys think? My ideal perfect girl is, well, I mean, like, I like a girl who's funny, who's really funny. You know, I can talk to someone who's, like, really fun to hang out with. That has nice eyes, a nice smile.
say goodbye because we gotta show them love.
There we go.
You guys have fun? Say goodbye to Justin Bieber. See you tonight.
Bye.